The Dugard 1000Y Plus Direct Drive Vertical Machining Centre. An updated model for 2019 featuring an extended wire travel of 610mm, heavy-duty roller-type linear ways and heavy-duty spindle housing with a direct drive spindle. X-axis travel is 1020mm and Z is 550mm. Spindle noseline to table surface is 130 to 680mm. There are various control options: Seimens 828D with shop mill conversational software, Heidenhain 640 TNC or Fanuc OIMF with 2GB data server. The 1000Y Plus has a 30-station twin-arm automatic tool changer. Spindle speed of 80 to 12,000 RPM is a standard feature, as is the state-of-the-art direct drive spindle speed. And a ZF 2-speed gearbox with top speed of 8,000 RPM is an option. Spindle power varies depending on the control you choose to fit. Heidenhain is 17 kW, Seimens is 20.9 kW and Fanuc is 18.5 kW. All models have BT40 Big Plus spindle or cat flange option. It has a table size of 1200mm by 610mm and table loading of 600 kg. Rapids are 36 meters a minute in X and Y and 30 meters a minute in Z. Rigid tapping and helical milling are standard features, and it's also fitted with twin-nut double-support pre-tensioned ball screws as well as a counterbalance head. It has a Grundfos high-power coolant system and chip flushing. Standard features include 30-position twin-arm automatic tool changer, 3-spindle coolant, Swarf conveyor and bin, heavy-duty rollerways on all axes, spindle refrigeration, built-in spindle coolant nozzles, and Big Plus double contact tooling system. This machine also has an optional 200mm column riser to give larger daylight for higher components. The Dugard 1000Y Plus is ruggedly constructed, a heavy-duty design which assures optimum rigidity and stability for a longer machine life. It weighs 7,000 kilograms but has the smallest footprint of any machine in its class, 2.3 meters wide by 2 meters deep. There are many other standard features and options. For a full specification on the Dugard 1000Y Plus VMC, please go to our website, dugard.com.